Hello and welcome to Gmodism Total Nerdery channel. If you copy over your hard drive to a new one, basically clone the hard drive, then you will usually end up with a new partition or a new hard drive that's the exact same size as the old one, but usually your new hard drive will be larger. So what you will do is you will need to increase the size of the partition, and in this little video I will show you how to make it increased from like only 900 to almost like 1800, like double it, because I doubled my disk size. And this, is usually what you need to do. So what you do is you click Windows key, X key, then you get the disk management, and then we load system information. We see here unallocated. This is our new installed hard drive. Right click on this C drive. You can make new partitions. You can call this E and have other files on it, but I just want to extend my C drive. So we're going to extend volume. We click next and next and finish. Now, the magic. Suddenly, this is now a larger drive. Yep, you can see, we refresh it. Now the C has a lot of gigabytes free. And that's all you need to do. It's easier than to do it in Macroom Reflect directly, to be quite honest. Alright, I hope this has helped you to get your partition the nice size again. So if you liked the video, please leave a like. If you really liked it, you can support me by tipping or becoming our Patreons. In any case, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you around. This is your host, Gmodism Total Nerdery channel, signing out.